We're T-minus 3 more days till we leave for Amelia. Today we're packing up the cars in Carolina Coach Crafters, and it's currently snowing here in Harrisonburg, Virginia. So alright, it's now 4:30 p.m. and our seats are stuck in Germany for our Oaxaca car, so we're currently problem solving. Basically, we ended up taking the white seats out of the 930 Turbo and putting it in the Oaxaca car as a placement in hopes that we could bring the seats down to Florida and install them there. Okay, it's 6:10 and the cars are officially loaded up and ready to go to Florida.
It's been a roller coaster. It's been a real roller coaster. We're high but we're low. It's bittersweet.
Okay, we just got the cars loaded up, so the only thing left to do is pack and get ready to go, and the interns and I are gonna make our team a little bit of a thank you gift for all of their hard work.
All right, the journey begins. 10 hours to Florida, 663 miles. We got the seats loaded up. We're making this thing happen.
Okay, it's 10:36. We're all loaded up, and we're gonna head down to Florida.
Yeah.
Okay, how far in are we?
4 hours, 3 hours.
3 hours. We have 7 hours left. Little did we know we actually had over 10 hours left.
Out of the car. Into the car. We're getting them in there. Those are the white ones. Get them out of here.
Day 1, we're getting ready to go. Are you excited? Hey, we made it. We're here. Okay, we're here on the field. We have our car ready. We just finished detailing. There's Gerber, and we're waiting for judging to start for the works reunion. Okay, judging for the Works reunion is done, and we placed third.
It's just sad, we don't know, but we got third place. Let's go.
Okay, we just finished judging. Looking spiffy. What do you think, Julio?
Tiring, but it was fun.
Gerber?
A lot of cool cars. It was kind of hard to pick a favorite. But
Yeah, there are so many cool ones. I couldn't pick one. Okay, the interns and everyone are officially done with Amelia, and now it's time to have fun and relax.
What do I say when there's no